I used to do all this all the time with my father when I was a kid. Never forgot it. Always remember it.